Cinnamon Abomination. This is actually the pickup counter. You can order over there where the line is. Dude, I'm telling you first so the drink is ready when I'm done ordering. We have a line of people waiting. You can't just skip in front of them. Why not?
No.
Because they got here before you did. Do you not know how lines work? Are you seriously gonna make me wait in line like everyone else? I'm gonna make you wait longer than everyone else. And then I'm gonna...
Why not my blow you guys up? What?
So I just
So
won't
you're
drink it then.
Oh, I knew there was something suspicious about this, and you guys all fell for it. And
You can't force me to drink it. What? Hey.
What did you say about Minecraft? Minecraft is done?
One second, later.
Big what?
Why not my blow you guys up? What? So you're the fucking... Oh, I knew there was something suspicious about this, and you guys all fell for it. Anyway, bon voyage, friends.